Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn about filters and how to use them. So let's get started. Okay, so this is your data and you want to apply filters. Let's say you want to see data only which is having Suyana as the salesperson, or orders date which are having only 2003 datas, or top 1000 datas, or any amount greater than $5,000. So in that case what you need to do is, if you are having proper data, that is you don't have any multiple blank records or anything in between, you can just keep your cell anywhere, keep your mouse anywhere in any of these cells, and then click this button. You can also access this button from the filter option over here. Okay, so I will just click keep use this button. Okay, so now if you see, this icon over here says that your data can be filtered out. Okay, so let's say if I want only dots worth, or I don't need dots worth records over here. Okay, so if you see, dots worth is over here, third and sixth record, and so on. So I will click on this button. So if you see, showing all, salesperson is saying that it is currently showing all of the records. So if you just click over here, and if I say uncheck thoughtsman, or you can just type over here do, and it will sort all the, it will filter out those records. Okay, you will uncheck this. Okay, and then select all, but uncheck this. Okay, and then click OK. So if you see, that dots worth is being hidden. Okay, and this is the way sorting is being done. So if you see, if you just hover your button over here, you can see dots worth is not in the equals option. Okay, and in the same way, if you want orders date to be also filtered, then you need to click on this button, and then select the button which you want. Like, let's say you will need only 2005 records. One way to do is to just type 2005. First of all, you need to uncheck all, and then select 2005. Just check it out and click OK. Other way to do it, you just uncheck all, click this, or else you can select all, keep selecting all, and then unchecking everything. Then it will give you only records which are from 2005. So if you see over here, there are a lot of records missing over here. Okay, now let's say you want one more thing to be sorted out. Let's say, so this is number. Okay, and you want this to be, you can also sort. Okay, but apart from that, if you are having any numbers, then you can sort it by numbers also. You can also type in numbers over here, so you can see all the numbers starting from 1, 0, and so on. So if you want any number greater than 10,800 and click OK, then you will see this record over here. So this is filter all the records with order ID greater than 10,800. Now if you see order amount, if you want to filter this also, then you can filter this also, like above average, top 10 greater than, which we have already discussed. Okay, so you can always, if you have any particular order ID, okay, let's say 10833 is the order ID which you want to cross check, you can always click over here and then press over here and then cross check this order ID. Now what if you want to remove all these filters? Okay, so the best way to remove this all of these filters, or if you want to remove only one filter, then what needs to be done? You want to remove the filter for order ID only, you need to click over here and then click clear filter for order ID. So now the filter remains for this and this. Now if you click over here, you can see reapply filter. So what reapply does, reapply the filter and sort on the current range so that the changes you have made are included. So you can use this reapply function as well as advanced filter option also. So in advanced option, if you have a criteria range, then you can change, use this filter also. Or else if you want to remove all of these filters, and then too you want to keep these filter icons, then you need to click this clear button. And if you want to just remove everything of filtration, then if you click this button, even this filtration will move out. Okay, Now I will just again press control, press this filtration. Now if you see, now let's say I have this some of the records which are having color. Okay, so you have selected some of your records which you want to cross check with some of the persons. So if you click over here, so you can see this option filter by color also. So if you can just click this filter and then filter by color, so you will see only these two records. Okay, so you can also clear your filter also. So now it is being filtered with clear filters. Okay, now if you want to select anybody names, then you can just type his names. Whenever you press S, so everything with having S will get displayed. Okay, so now it's only Suyana which gets selected. Okay, so if you want to remove all the filters, just select all and it got filtered out. So these are different ways wherein you can use filtration options, and based on the data which is being provided. For example, if this is ordered, if it is date, then you can see within date filter you can filter out this month, next month, quarter, this quarter, next quarter, all dates in the period January to December, then quarter one, quarter two. So these are some of the inbuilt Excel features which you can always use. Okay, so that was it for the day. If you like this video, then just hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give a thumbs up, and give your comments in the comment box. Jai Hind, Jai Janendra.